You know, if you can change the tire on your car, you can change a prop on your boat. It's actually an easy job. Come on, let's do it. The first thing you need to do is block the prop so that it can't spin. Next, remove the cotter pin. Next, remove the prop nut. Now here's where things can get tricky. Different props have different washers and spacers, so you have to make sure that you take them off in order and place them somewhere very carefully so you know exactly how they go back on later. Now you're ready to take the prop off. Now, while you have it off, make sure to look around, make sure there's no fishing lines stuck in there or anything like that, and before you put the new prop on, give it a shot of fresh grease. Putting your new prop on is just a matter of doing everything in reverse, exactly as you did it when you took the prop off. Well, that's all there is to it, and trust me, it's a heck of a lot easier than changing your tire on your car.